In this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best video cameras in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 5 Black. The GoPro Hero 5's moderate size makes it by far the best camcorder for development. The motivating force here is basically unimaginable as, at a for the most part ease, you get a camcorder that is stacked with features, is definitely not hard to use, strong, waterproof, and gets remarkable sound and pictures. While GoPro cameras are generally thought of as having a spot in the area of surfers, mountain bikers and other experienced sports darlings, because of the association's responsibility to consistent improvement, this littler-than-ordinary beast can truly satisfy anyone's camcorder needs. Likewise, whether or not you're not going to cut this camera down the grades or into the sea, you will even now benefit by the features that make it a generally cherished for dynamic people. The quality control is top tier, the camera is incredibly strong and waterproof, and an extent of mounts and furs you can get creative with your camera focuses. You'll be giving up optical zoom with this camera anyway. Something different, the GoPro Hero 5 clashes with gigantic quantities of the best camcorders out there with 4K limit, the ability to shoot 30 casings for each second in run-of-the-mill mode and up to 120 fps in moderate development mode, 12MP photo get limit, a back-lit-up picture sensor that gets top-quality sharp pictures in defenseless lighting, a micro SD space, and around 2 hours of battery life running at 1080p at 50 fps. On top of that, you get a great deal of treats. Recalling worked for Wi-Fi and GPS, contact screen controls and changing, circle recording, time-pass photo catch, and voice control that lets you simply talk your requests to the camera to let free your hands. To polish everything off, it has 3 fundamental mics and programming that unites the best of what all of them gets to give really critical sound. This at an amazingly ease likewise, makes it the camcorder to beat. Number 2. Kicktek Video Camera Full HD. While the GoPro Hero 5 gives you most outrageous features effectively, this spending camcorder by Kicktek is ideal for the people who needn't waste time with all the extravagant miscellaneous items of that model yet simultaneously need a solid little camcorder for an enormous part of the price. The camera can get full HD video at 15 fps, with a 24MP CMOS picture sensor. It has a 3.0-inch screen that turns 270 degrees. Its item features join adversary of shaking notwithstanding face and smile affirmation, and it has a 16x progressed zoom. Past that, we like this camera since its little, lightweight size techniques. You can slip it in your pocket, yet the flip-out screen gives you a liberal 3-inch show, which trumps even the GoPro. One of the better time features of this spending greatness is that in case you interface the camera to your PC by methods for USB connection and use it as a webcam. Despite its fundamental front LED light, you can similarly associate an external light, disregarding the way that you won't have the choice to do moreover with an outside mic, which is a disfavor because the sound quality on accounts made with this camera ordinary, most ideal situation. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ84K Digital Camera. This Panasonic powerhouse is one of the best moderate cameras with a 16x optical long-range point of convergence, making it the best camcorder for sports shooting. It can similarly shoot the 2 photos and video in 4K, and it even allows you to shoot video and a short time later pick a really shot from the surge of pictures to keep. Its burst mode can get 30 fps in 4K, which is a completely astonishing achievement. The camera has a charming handfeel too, with a take-out hold underneath the screen button. Adding to this current camera's worth is natural Wi-Fi, a sensitive sensor that considers astonishing low-light shots using around an ISO of 6400, a middle stacking feature that lets you alter focus or significance of field after you shoot, both an optical and mechanized viewfinder, and the ability to use a collection of effects and channels including expressive, retro, silky monochrome, impressive art, toy pop, bleach bypass, miniature effect, and some more. Number 4. Yeehaw Camcorder Video Camera. In the event that you're basically wandering into the camcorder game, this decision might be a good spot to start. While it won't give you the most amazing video moves, it goes with a store of extra things including a case, divisible wide edge point of convergence, a hood to reduce glare, a removed, 2 battery-controlled batteries, HDMI and 3.5mm connections, and a distinguishable impact-style mic. The camcorder similarly has some best-in-class incorporates that are astounding to find in an under $200 camera, including night vision, a development sensor that will start recording when something moves over the edge, and a flip-out viewfinder that moreover lets you investigate the camera's direct menu system by contact. It also has a Sony sensor, which helps a piece while contemplating a purchase from a by-and-large dark brand. Number 5. Canon Vixia HFR 800 Portable Video Camera. This Canon displays a 57x zoom, anyway it's basic to grasp that 25x of that is a serious zoom. Regardless, that leaves you with a crazy 32x optical zoom, which should let you get extremely close with basically any subject. It can in like manner be set to get commitment to the MP4 plan at 35 fps, which not simply allows it to take very first-class chronicles yet moreover makes it incredible if you have to move your accounts to YouTube or other notable video objections without changing over it. Concerning working the camera, choices are characteristic and clear, and the flip-out LCD touchscreen gets amazing evaluations for its detectable quality, even in marvelous light. Another entrancing stand-isolated component of this camera is something Canon calls highlight priority mode, which can address unnecessarily marvelous establishments so you can get more nuances.
Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.